Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Yesterday we were talking about a poem, Six Honest Serving Men. What is meaning of honest? Do not pronounce it honest, okay? It is not honest, it is honest. H is silent in this word. What is silent? H is silent. You don't have to pronounce H. You don't have to say honest. You have to say honest, okay? You have to pronounce O. Serving means what? Serving means servants, correct or not? Six honest serving men. Men means what? One man and many men. Correct? You know plural form of man. If there is one man, what will be plural form of man? The plural form of man is men. Okay? So here it is told that there are six honest serving men. Honest means what? People those who are obedient, punctual. I told you yesterday, those people are called what? Honest people. Those who are obedient, those who listen to elder ones, such people are called what? Honest. And then Rudyard Kipling is a poet of the poem, and what he is saying that I have six honest men. Now I told you six honest men are real means or what? No, it is an imaginary. It is an imaginary poem, and he has imagined that there are six men who help him. Which are those six men? The six men are what? Correct? Why and when and how and where and who. Correct? WH questions. I told you six WH questions are there. Which are those? What? Why? When? How? Where? And who? Okay. What are these six serving men? What is done to these service men? Actually, now they are questions. Correct? Questions are helping you or what? Now, what the poet has said that they are men. Means they are called person. Actually they are not person, but when you are small, that time what you do, you keep on asking hundreds of questions to your parents. You ask, what is this, why is this like this, correct or not? Then who is this, why, how is this? You keep on asking. You have lot of questions in your mind, and when you keep on asking those questions, what you do, you have some serving means who help you, correct or not? And which are those serving means? What, why, when, how, where, who. Correct? And then Rudyard Kipling is saying that I have six honest serving men. When I was small, that time they have taught me everything. My all questions answers were given at that time. When I was small, when it was childhood, or when I was when I was child, or when I was in small age, that time I used to ask questions to my elder ones or my family members, and they used to give me answer. I used to get information from all these six serving men. Which six serving men? What man, why, when, how, where and who. And this serving means had always helped me. Now I have grown up, now I have become big. I don't need to ask questions every time now. You know it very well. When your parents are giving you answers, do they ask questions to you? No. Because when we are small, that time we have lot of questions in our mind. We want to learn new things. Anything if you will see new in the world, correct or not, you will ask immediately, what is this? What is that? Correct? Why it is so? You ask such questions, and when you ask such questions, you get lot of information. And who helps you? These questions help you. Which questions help you? Again I am repeating, what, who, why, when, how and where. And Rudyard Kipling is saying that I have six honest serving men, and what I do, when I was small they used to help me. Now I have got lot of information. And in second stanza he has said, I send them over land and sea, I send them east and west, but after they have worked for me, I give them all rest. Correct? Now Rudyard Kipling is saying that when they do work for me, I send them on land. Correct or not? I collect information from land, I collect information from sea, I collect information from all directions. East and west means from all part of the world I collect information. And what I do, When I get that information, I understand those information, and it remains in my mind, and it helps me when I will become adult. Correct or not? When I am child, that time it will not help me, but when I will get all information in my childhood, what will happen? That information will help me when I will become adult. And you know it very well, when you will grow up, correct, when you will become big, what will happen? You will keep on asking such questions or what to your parents? No. When once you go in 8, 9, 10 standard, what will happen? After that, automatically your asking question will get reduced. You will not ask more questions to your parents, because you will know everything. You will have learned, or you might have learned everything, or you will learn everything in your childhood, correct? And once you have learned everything in childhood, you don't have to ask same questions again when you grow up. So here it is told that I send them over land and sea, I send them east and west, but after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. When they give me all information, what I do? Once I have sent them on land, once I have sent them on sea, when I send them to east direction, when I send them to west direction, when my all work is over, when I get all information, what I do? I give them all rest. Then I don't think, I don't ask questions, I keep my mind calm and quiet. Okay. Next stanza is given over here is, I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. Now it is said that now what they are called? They are person. It is an imaginary poem. Actually, what is a person, or what? In yesterday's also lecture I told you that they are not person, but they have what is given character of man. What is given character of man? Who is given character of man? Correct? Why is given character of man? What you have to imagine? तुम्ही काय कल्पना करायची की हे सहा काय, हे सहा मेन आहेत. Okay, the 6 people are there. Which are 6 people? These questions are 6 people and they are helping you. And then Rudyard Kipling is saying that I let them rest from 9 till 5. Now I have grown up. Here it is told that I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. All I knew means, knew is what? It has happened in past tense. I have understood something in past tense when I was small. Correct? That time I have got all information. Now I have become adult. So what I do? I don't give them rest. I give them rest from 9 till 5. Why 9 till 5? Because that is my working time. Correct? Here it is told that I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then. I am busy. At what time I am busy? 9 o'clock, morning 9 o'clock till evening 5 o'clock I am busy. So that time I give them rest. I don't think more. I don't ask more questions. And that is why my working time. So I give them rest. And as I am hungry, when I am hungry, that time I take breakfast. When I am hungry, that time I take tea. When I am hungry, that time I take lunch. Correct? We eat food. In same way, they are also hungry men. And they also need food, so I give them food to eat. Have you understood 3 stanzas? I have already taught you in yesterday's period. Again, I am repeating same poem so that you should understand. So now 4th stanza which is given here is, but different flock have different views. I know a person small, she keeps 10 million serving men who gets no rest at all. Now Rudyard Kipling is saying that there is one person who I know, and she is a girl, and what she does, she never gives them rest. She keeps on asking questions, she keeps on thinking, she keeps on getting information from all parts of the world, and she has millions of serving men. When Rudyard Kipling is saying I have only 6, they help me a lot, and when I have got all information in my childhood, why this girl is keeping millions of serving men, means millions of servants. Now how much million servants she has? She has 1 million house, 2 million wares, and 7 million wives. And she sends them abroad on her own affairs. Sends them abroad on her own affairs means what? Sends them away to other places to do her work. What she does? She sends them abroad. She sends them to other places like other countries. She sends them there, and what she does? She sends them to the other places to do whose work? To do her own work. She sends them there to do her own work. In this way, we have studied poem. I think you have understood. Name of a poem is Six Honest. Don't say honest. Say Six Honest Serving Men. Correct? And this poem is written by Rudyard Kipling. What is name of a poet? Rudyard Kipling. I think you have understood poem. And now what we are going to do in next period is we are going to solve question answers. Okay. Beforehand only I will send you. I will show you. See, here it is. Question answers. Answer the following questions. Second is write the names of 6 serving men. Frame questions on the following such a way that you use each of them at least once. See that you use all 6. Okay. So these are some questions which we are going to study in tomorrow's period. Okay. I think you have understood. That's all for today. Thank you.